Hey guys, Mosh Bari here, and I'm reviewing this offer or digital product or course called ClickBank AI. It says new for September 2024, we are forcing ClickBank to pay us commissions 24/7, exposed $500 billion, ClickBank AI hack, pay us $50 to $100 over and over, extreme every time we copy and paste one secret link. All right, this is a video, it's a sales video, and the price is $17 today. And if you want to take this, check this little inline upsell, then you might pay another $9 extra, depending on whether you want it or not. Now, this is how the sales page or the website of this offer looks like. If you click the link below this video, that will be my affiliate link, and you will be taken to this page. Go ahead, give it a read. Why you should give it a read? Because this product, offer, or course is created by a person called Glenn Kosky. So who is Glenn Kosky? Let me show you. This is the stats of my affiliates on one of my Warrior Plus accounts. Now, let me hide the other affiliates results and keep only Glenn Kosky's results. So this is Glenn Kosky. You can see that he made $81,005 in affiliate commissions. $81,000, one person, Glenn Kosky, made in affiliate commissions from promoting my offers alone from one account. So you can imagine how much money he makes from promoting all the offers that he promotes. And he promoted multiple offers of mine from multiple accounts, so he made a lot of money. Now, in this program, Glenn Kosky is sharing how you can make affiliate commissions using AI, artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT, using a simple system. So let's look at the simple system. I got a private access. I asked him for an access and he gave me a private access so I can share with you guys what's inside. So the first step, step number 1, is attend the essential live training. I recommend you go watch this video and click here, attend the live training. It will help you a lot. Then get started with your journey. And then now step 3 is where you start. Okay, what to expect, and then getting started. This is the system. This is products. What is product? Product is what you promote as an affiliate. So right now in this video, I am an affiliate of this offer. So what am I doing here? I'm explaining you what's inside. So you can take a wise and an educated decision whether it is for you or not. Maybe you don't want easy money. Maybe you don't like affiliate marketing. Maybe chances are you will like it, but you need more information. That is what I'm doing here. I'm not trying to sell anything. So this is what we do as an affiliate. But hey, this is a product, right? This is a course. If you make a purchase, then you get access to this course. So the product section will tell you about products, how to choose the right products. And by the name, I see something that I love the most. So let me explain. This is my account. Okay, this is one of my real accounts, all right? And this is my affiliates. You can see these are the real account, they're affiliates. But do you see this subscription here? Can you see that? This subscription? This subscription thing is recurring income. Recurring income means I sold something to my customers and they keep paying me monthly or annually, monthly or annually. So sometimes they pay me monthly $7, monthly $27, monthly $47, monthly $97, $99, $299, and sometimes annual $1,000, so on and so forth. But what is this subscription? Subscription is like your monthly salary. So if you sell subscription type of offers as an affiliate, you will earn affiliate commissions, recurring affiliate commissions. This is amazing. This can replace your day job. Okay. Now, I'm not here to advertise the product, but I just liked the keyword here, recurring products. This is amazing. So go ahead, give it a watch. Then the network overview, the network is ClickBank right here. So what is ClickBank? ClickBank is a network where product creators list their products and affiliates find those products. Now, based on the niche of the affiliate or based on what they want to promote, they choose an offer and they get the affiliate link. Then the only thing they do is, as an affiliate, what do? Do you know? If you don't know, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you. Affiliates do only one thing. I'm going to share in a moment. Keep watching because I just want to show you the whole thing so you can take an educated decision. Right. So, sorry, zoomed in. For what? Okay, so this is ClickBank. Now, guys, here's the thing. If for any reason in your country ClickBank is not available, just reach out to me via customer support desk. And we will give you a completely separate course on complete affiliate marketing that helped us make 8 figures using affiliate marketing. That complete course will give you access to some other network, so you don't have to go for ClickBank. You'll still get the same benefits, so don't worry. That's going to be my bonus, right? Anyways, yeah, that's it. So this is the overview of the ClickBank network, then the done for you list. So this is the list of products that you're going to get and get approval from ClickBank. So you can just pick one of these offers, get your affiliate link, start promoting and make money. And there are a bunch of products there. Okay, I think the list is here. You click that green button and you'll be taken to this tons and tons, 7 pages, 7-page long offer. Okay, get your money link. So the get your money link is the affiliate link. Now, every network has different process to get your affiliate link. ClickBank has its own process. This will cover how you can get your affiliate link for a particular product that you chose to promote to your audience. Now, the buffer. All right, this is just called a squeeze page. It's called a funnel. And if you noticed, by any chance, if you've seen my website, I have only one simple website. Let me show you. I show it everywhere, and I'm proud to share. If you go to facebook.com from an incognito window, where without logging into your own account, then you'll see this page. This is called an opt-in page where you put your name, email, or your phone number and password. If you want to create a new account, this is what Facebook asks. Your name, your phone number, email, and your password. Because they want to stay connected with you. They want to send you emails and show you notifications. Hello, you got a new friend. Somebody messaged you. Hey, go ahead, check Facebook. There's something new going on, something interesting, etc., etc. So this is how you build connection with your audience. So the first website you want to use as your main website is an opt-in page. You must ask for the contact details of your audience. Now, Glinkowski is a master. We know that. I have shown you his results. So he shared with you what kind of opt-in page works for ClickBank. Now the creation, how you created, a simple opt-in, ebook, opt-in, advertorial, all these are here. You click and you get access. Then create a lead magnet with AI. Lead magnet is something that you give away for free in exchange of your audience's email or contact. So let's say I ask for email to give my audience a free video, a long training that literally gives you everything. Okay. Now guys, go ahead. Set up your email machine. This is how you set up your email machine. The email machine, I already covered that Facebook sends you email. If you want to make money, you want to connect and stay connected with your audience and send them valuable emails. And you can write emails using AI. The next one is getting customers. This is how you get customers, all right? Now, in our case, we make simple videos. We use AI to learn valuable skills, quickly review it, and we make videos. We publish them and we get traffic from Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. That's it. Now, if you want to learn about my process, there is a link somewhere near this video, or I don't know, maybe go to my Instagram, and in the bio you'll find a link that will give you a long training on exactly how we get traffic. So it's super simple. That is also my bonus for purchasing using my link. I mean, in case you decide to get access to CBAI system using my link is somewhere near this video. Go ahead, check it out. Right, strategy, how you fast track. Okay, so there are some strategies, separate strategies that, this is basically for traffic strategy. Now, X machine, I really don't know what it is. Right, I didn't check, okay. This is something, discussion, traffic, pre-traffic, getting commissions. It's important how you get commissions. So in my ClickBank account, I have directly connected my bank account with my ClickBank account. So whenever I get a commission, after a certain amount is accumulated in that account, they automatically send me that amount to my bank account. But in case if ClickBank is not affiliate in your country, ClickBank is not available in your country, use my bonus to get access to another platform, and that will send you your commission anywhere you want. You can get your connection on PayPal, Payoneer, or your bank account. You will never miss your account. You'll never miss your commission. Now let's go. Oh my God, it's amazing. Right, best practices. There are some best practices. Yeah, good one. How to email with proper domain, custom email, multiple strategies, tracking, a long-term plan. This is great. Now, this is, in my opinion, very thorough and a complete affiliate marketing, ClickBank affiliate marketing training for beginners. However, the technical stuff are shown how to do it, and you just take a little time to do it yourself. Now, you might take half an hour to 90 minutes per day and set up the full thing yourself. Just follow this, set up the full thing yourself, and get commissions after 7 days. It will take like 3 to 7 days to set everything up if you do it yourself. Now guys, you must be asking, what is the job of an affiliate? I told you before, right? That I will tell you later. What is the job of an affiliate? The only job of an affiliate is to get traffic to your opt-in page, to build a list of email subscribers that you can send valuable emails to them and even share videos like this, valuable information, stats, tricks, tips, whatever you learn using AI, share with them. Build relationship with them, rapport with them, and then when you ask them, hello, I am promoting something, buy from me, they will be more than happy to buy from you. So the only job of an affiliate is to get traffic to the opt-in page and build a list of email subscribers. That's it. Get traffic, then get traffic to your affiliate offer and earn affiliate commissions. And you have already seen that my affiliates are earning money, including Glenn Koski made $81,000, crazy guy. Right guys, okay. So the link to cbaisystem.com, right, CBAI system is below this video. And I already shared one bonus, which is a complete 8-figure affiliate marketing system bonus for purchasing using my link. And the instructions will also be available there. Go grab it, go grab CBAI system. I love the course. It's pretty much complete, especially for the price you're paying and also the bonus you're getting. Nobody else can get this bonus apart from my students. Also, how do we get traffic from social media? That training is also my bonus to you. So go ahead, these 2 bonuses, grab these 2 bonuses. It will be a complete system for you to start making money using affiliate marketing. So go ahead, grab this from my link somewhere near this video. Either if you're watching from YouTube, good. If you're watching from my website, link is always in the description or in the video, in my website. Go click that. Then go to this website right here and click any of these buttons. Make the payment and you'll get access to the product itself, and also the bonuses. That's it. Love it. Awesome. Till the next review, till the next video. Bye-bye, and see you inside.